If you're applying for a PAL or RPAL in Canada, you probably want a straight answer. How long does it actually take? Let's break it down. The RCMP says it takes about 45 days to process a possession and acquisition license, and that includes the mandatory 28-day waiting period for first-time applicants. But what does that look like in the real world? At BC Firearms Academy, we're seeing many students get their PAL cards in just 35 days, from the moment the RCMP receives a complete application and payment. Yes, that 35-day timeline already includes the 28-day waiting period. RPAL applications, they usually follow a similar timeline unless extra checks are required. So why the difference? It comes down to your application. Missing info, unreachable references, or complex backgrounds can all slow things down, but complete, honest applications tend to move smoothly. Here's a quick step-by-step. Pass your safety course. Gather your documents. Submit your application. Wait 28 days minimum. Your file is reviewed, get approved, and your card arrives by mail. Want to speed things up? Apply online, answer every question clearly, and make sure your references are ready to pick up the phone. So, while 45 days is the official line, 35 days is a realistic goal if everything is in order, at least here in BC. Ready to get started? Book your course and let's get you licensed.